Hey Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:59 p.m.
Not literally. Hey guys, Fans Buses Gaming here, and the reason I wanted to show an unboxing of this is because this one's a more expensive, um, I forget the name. um, I have two of these now. This is my second one. Um, kind of like a hard drive. SSD, kind of. Okay, I don't even remember. This has been laying around for a few weeks now. This is a 32 gigabyte flash drive. There we go, flash drive. Okay, so it's a 32 gigabyte flash drive. Um, Anything else? It's the back. I'm not gonna need anything. What's this? Trying to get the camera to zoom in. Hang on, I'll just read it to you. It says. Oh, it's just information. Oh, it says Windows 10 compatible. Okay. Well, that's pretty good. Um, I don't even know why I got this. I just got it in case I ever want to download stuff onto something. Like, this is for my homemade computer. My Raspberry Pi built computer. And if you don't know what that Raspberry Pi is, it's a brand. So, oh, shoot. This is my older one. Does this one have more or less? 16 gigabytes. Oh yeah, so this one's way more expensive. And it has a USB on it. So, let's just get into the unboxing as soon as I get this lid on by one hand. So yes, and this one is also easier because this just slides out. Let's just get into the unboxing. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Well, that was easy. That's probably the easiest unboxing I've ever done in my life. So, hang on. 32 gigabytes. So it's 32 gigabytes. There's your Oh wait, no, it doesn't have a USB drive, does it? Oh, I thought that was a. Wait. Huh. How is it supposed to go in a USB port? Oh, it's the blue one, so it goes in the bigger USB ports. Okay. So, because have you ever had a laptop or something like your USB thing won't fit into the side of the laptop? Well, that's because it's built for it. Cause it's bigger, so it has the blue piece. Okay. Um, I think that's it. Yeah. This one's more easier to use, I think. Wait, nope, it's the exact same. But this one has more storage on it, and it's actually smaller, kind of. No, it's actually about the same size. It's a little bit smaller. Okay, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Fans Buses Gaming. Peace out.